hardware that gives you the full body avatar tracking. And once we can track your skeleton, that's what's going to prevent things like occlusion from being a problem. So we can play multiplayer, two people, like if I'm moving in front of you like this, and it'll still be able to keep track of you even though the sensor can't see the entire thing.
You can do that?
Yes, totally. That's right, so we can tell colors, you know, shapes, sound, everything like that we can make it part of the game, right? So this is the full body gesture stuff that's really highlighted in this demo, but we also can include, you know, voice recognition, facial recognition, color recognition, and really what we're trying to do, and this is the good fun part of working at First Party, is we really want to give, you know, developers a robust creative tool set for things that they can build with, you know, and like we're super excited. I mean, all the dev kits, you know, got to our partners yesterday, and now it's just like seeing what all the super creative people in the industry can build with this stuff.
So you already have like an SDK out to people for this?
Yeah, exactly.
So developers are working on software right now.
Yesterday.
Do you have any idea what the MSRP is going to be for something like this?
You know, we don't have all of our shipping plans and stuff worked out yet, you know, but I do think it's like, obviously we're super conscious of how, you know, price is affecting, you know, consumers and like what the economy is like. And like, you know, we're just going to make sure that, you know, I think as Xbox has done a great job of making sure our console's super affordable. So.
Right. So it's not going to be like the price of another console.
Yeah. What is the target release date or window? It's going to developers. It's thinking, you know, it's within the next years. Are these developers going to update their current titles or like all now?
So, I mean, I think like the best thing creatively is when you're building totally new titles. Nice kick, by the way. Totally new titles around the technology, but it'll work in any kind of game. And I think the whole thing is, I mean, we don't have an exact ship date set yet. It's definitely not going to be in 2009. I know that, but you know, anything after 2009, I think is possible.
So it's possible to augment update a current game.
Totally.
Burnout.
This is a retail graphic.
Paradox.
Yep. So we didn't touch any of the code or anything.
Are you crashed? No.
No, I should not. I'm going into the garage. That was bad by me. Sorry.
You just really wanted to park the car.
Yeah, exactly.
So can you name any of the partners, or maybe give a general estimate?
You know what? I mean, we're not giving out like exact names or lists, but I think we've shown our demos off to a ton of people and just gotten overwhelmingly positive response. So you can see, foot forward for gas, step back to brake, keep it back, and it'll go in reverse. The controller just that is crazy.